Click on the link below to get price. The PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Electric Bike is an impressive option for those seeking a powerful and reliable e-bike experience. With a robust 960W motor, this bike delivers an exhilarating ride, allowing speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. The acceleration is immediate and responsive, making it a joy to tackle both urban streets and rugged trails. The bike's 48V 20AH battery is another standout feature, offering an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on rider weight, terrain, and mode of use. This means you can confidently embark on longer rides without the constant worry of running out of battery. The design of the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer combines functionality and style. Its sturdy aluminum frame provides durability while remaining lightweight enough for easy maneuverability. The bike features a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars, allowing for a customizable riding experience. The inclusion of front and rear suspension ensures a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and obstacles effectively, which is particularly beneficial for those who venture off-road. In terms of safety, this e-bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes that offer excellent stopping power, even in wet conditions. The bright LED headlight and taillight enhance visibility for night rides, ensuring that you are seen by motorists and pedestrians alike. One area that may require attention is the assembly process. While the bike comes partially assembled, some users may find the final assembly a bit challenging. However, the detailed instructions and necessary tools make it manageable for most individuals. Overall, the PUCKIPUPPY Boxer Electric Bike for adults is a compelling choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-performance e-bike. Its powerful motor, long-range battery, and comfortable design make it perfect for commuting or recreational riding. With features that cater to both safety and comfort, this bike stands out in its category and offers excellent value for the price.